What's up guys, I'm Dmitry as Invest. In this video you will learn how to register correctly on a ByBit, complete the verification process and secure your account with your phone in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to the video description and find the registration link with the maximum bonus you can get up to $30,000. Click on the link, enter your email and the password. If registering directly in the app, use this referral code to get up to $30,000 bonus. Step 2. Confirm your email address by entering the code sent to your email. Account created. Step 3. Download the ByBit app from the App Store or Play Market and log in with your email and password. Now let's complete the verification. Click Verify Now. Select your country. Choose the document type, for example passport. And follow the instructions. Take a photo of your passport, take a selfie and you're done. Now let's enhance your account security. Click on the security icon. Select Google Authenticator and confirm your email. Now it provides us with this code, but where do we enter it? For this we'll need the official Google app, call it Google Authenticator. Download it from App Store or Play Market and open the app. Here log in with your Google account. Press Add a code. Set up a key. Now go back to the ByBit app and copy that generated key. In the field where the account is, write yourself a note to understand what this code is for. Google Authenticator has given us a code, copy and enter to the ByBit app. Press Next and enter this code here. Excellent. Now if you want to log in into your ByBit account from another device or attempt action like withdrawing funds, you simply need to confirm the action with the code found in the Google Authenticator each time. And now you may have several questions such as how to fund your account, how to buy crypto like Bitcoin, which crypto to buy for a profit and how to withdraw your earnings. And you can find answers to these questions on my YouTube channel.